Good, we got the chat box going in the right part of the screen. We got some free members in here. We got some PBU members in here. What's going on? Aquarius Boosteds in the house, one of our premium pro members. We have Michael Naughton, what's up? James Hoover, Michael Burns, Average Guy, Muffin, Nikki, Bam Bam, what's going on? Kyle, Michael, Small Noob, Felisa Torres, Nikki. So who here is currently in PBU? Currently did the homework from last week, our charting homework. We're going to be going over some of that. But also, for those of you in premium, we also have some free members in on this raffle. We're also going to be doing our end of month grand prize raffle as well. We're going to be giving away a bunch of money, $75, a bunch of $75 giveaways, a bunch of cash giveaways. We're giving away up to $300 tonight. And like I said, I'll go over the homework and just kind of give a quick review of what PBU is all about for those of you who are joining us not in PBU from the free area, from Robinhood, stock traders, or any of those Facebook groups that might have stumbled across us. All right, so let's get right into it. What's going on, Penny Boys and Gals? What's going on, other stock traders who are joining us not from Penny Boys? Welcome to Penny Boys. Welcome to our PBU live stream. I am What the Duck from PBU. We got a bunch of people in the chat room, it looks like. We got some familiar faces, familiar names like Mattster. We got Felisa Torres in the house. We got Bam Bam, Brent. What's going on? Nikki. So let's go ahead and go over how our raffle works. So we are changing it up, actually. So we used to do $25 giveaway raffles. We used to do that every week. So we used to do a $25 giveaway every Monday, and we would do a grand prize drawing end of the month. Instead, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be switching up our prizes, but also we're going to be switching up how you enter. So first of all, you need to be in our premium alert area in order to enter the raffle. You have to check out our raffle channel. You go to the pinned messages. It tells you all the ways to join. But in a nutshell, the way to join our raffle is just posting on social media just about Penny Boys and how your experience is, what you learned, how maybe how your alerts are going, and that's it. And then you get a raffle ticket. You can win some cash. The reason that we do that is we just want everyone to get, everyone out there in the, stock trading world who is new to stock trading, we want them to get our, get our word out there so they can, join PBU, become a member of the, one of these stock trading learning areas, is what we specialize in here in Penny Boys University is, learning. That way, people who might be currently getting taken advantage of can find a place where, they can call home and, ask questions without being ridiculed, and just have an area where they can learn how to trade from the ground up, which is what we're all about in Penny Boys University. As you can see, we're currently on week 10 right now. So starting tomorrow, we'll have our class on Tuesday, how to set up indicators and trend lines, how to find resistance and support levels. We just did our candles week last week. We'll be going over that homework tonight. Usually we do these live streams on Thursday, but it was Thanksgiving, so obviously we took the night off. But yeah, so this is the last couple weeks of Penny Boys University. Then we'll be resetting. We'll be going back to week 1 and going over how the Penny Boys alerts work, how the Discord works, how just trading works, and just in general, how portfolio diversification works. Trading strategies, we'll be making a trading plan all over again, and you'll be able to keep up live with our live streams, which are every Thursday for Penny Boys University. And if you are new, you can definitely join us at pbalerts.com. Go to /Cyber Monday and use the promo code THANKS. That's for a 30% Cyber Monday discount. So like I said, the raffle we are switching it up. Instead of doing those Monday 25 drawings, we're going to be doing $75 drawings every single Monday. So every single Monday we'll be giving away $75 cash. And when I say cash, obviously we're not going to be mailing you cash in the in the mail, in the snail mail. No one's going to be hand delivering mail to you, especially with what's going on in the world with COVID and all that. No, we're going to be giving you cash as far as e-cash goes. So it might be Zelle, it can be Cash App, whatever one of those kind of services that you have. We'll just send you $75 just like that. You can spend it on whatever you like, just as good as cash. So like I said, that's every Monday, $75. And in order to enter that, you just have to use that code https pbalerts.com/join discord. So when you're posting your raffle entries, make sure you use that link and post your screenshot in the raffle section. Once that link gets 100 clicks, then we do a bonus drawing. So every time that link gets 100 clicks, we also have other bonus drawings on top of the 75 raffle drawing every Monday. So a lot of ways to win money, win cash. Master wants his cash delivered via fax. Don't know exactly how that would work. Send you some Monopoly money via fax, I guess. What's up, Laura? Welcome to PBU. Welcome to Penny Boys. Yeah, honestly, we all started off new. That's how everyone eventually everyone at first was new to something, So this is a great place to be. So let's go ahead and do some raffles. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be having 4 raffles, each for $75 cash. And let's go ahead and do the first raffle. This is the grand prize raffle, so all the names from the whole month are put into this. And our first $75 cash winner, and like I said, this is Zelle. You can use Cash App, whatever you like, and it looks like it's going to be Lucky Ebon. Ebon's won this a couple times, so he's won $75 cash. Congratulations, Ebon. Our next $75 cash winner is going to be, so I know Ebon is in Penny Boys University, so congratulations. We have another Penny Boys University member, Pavin. Yeah, I definitely did not say that right, but congratulations, you just won $75 cash. Yeah, Nikki says, of course it's Ebon. Congratulations. Yeah, Ebon keeps winning this over and over again. Next up is Ocean. Ocean just won $75 cash. And our last $75 winner is... Ebon has his own alerts too. It's going to be Agent Penguin. Congratulations, Agent Penguin, another Penny Boys University member. So congratulations to all of you. I believe all 4 of them are actually in Penny Boys University, which is awesome. One of the other benefits of joining Penny Boys University is that we have the homework. And if you get 100% on the homework, you get raffle tickets. So these are the following people who got 100% on last week's multiple choice homework. So Nikki says, hey, Yvonne, can I borrow some cash? Dino Dave, what's going on? Newbie here, needs some learning. You're in the right place. And we definitely actually at the right time, too, with that Cyber Monday sale going on in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. But and that's what we're all about here at Penny Boys University, is learning. And speaking of learning, we do have homework for our classes. And the following people on the screen have got 100% on the homework. So congratulations to the following people. So you guys all get raffle tickets for our next drawing. Next drawing is going to be Monday. It's going to be for $75 cash. And for those of you who did win, the 4 winners, make sure you contact Laser and let him know that you won $75, and let him know that you how you want to get paid as far as Zelle, Cash App, and all that other stuff goes. I'll be messaging him to let him know who the 4 people are once the stream is over. So just make sure to do that once the stream is over. All right, so congratulations to all the people on the screen. They got 100% on the homework. And let's just quickly go over some of the homework from that day. So let's see. Here it is. So the first question is going to be candlesticks originated from Japan back in the 1400s. True or false? 88% of the people said false, and they were correct. It actually originated in Japan back in the 1700s, and then it was brought out here in around like 1991-ish with that book that we were talking about last class. If you're looking at the 1 minute chart, each candle represents one trading day, true or false, and it is false. If you're looking at the 1 minute chart, then each candle represents 1 minute. So if you're looking at the daily chart, then each candle will represent one trading day. Looking at the 10-minute chart, then each candle is going to be 10 minutes worth of trading, and so on and so forth. The wicks show us the closing prices, true or false, and 83% of the class answered that correctly. That is false. So the wicks, as we went over in our class, so those of you not in PBU, just so you know how PBU works, each class gets a handout, and you have your video, you have your homework, and you have a written little handout as well to go along with the video, just to kind of help you out for those of you who, some people like some people like video, some people like written handouts. So this way we have something for everybody. But as you can see, the wicks here, these will show you the high and the low of the trading period of time. So if there's a daily candle, a high and a low of the day, whereas these will show you the opens and the close, which is the end of the actual body. So that's the wicks. An inverted hammer during an uptrend is called a shooting star, is the correct answer. So that's an inverted hammer, but that's during an uptrend. So that'll be a shooting star. And we went over all that during this class as well. So we went over the dojis, we went over, here's our hammer, and we went over how an inverted hammer is called a shooting star. So if you're ever struggling with the homework, make sure just to check the handouts, because all the answers will be in there for you. And the doji can show you either possible reversal, indecision, or both. 90% got that correct. It is both. So the doji can show you either indecision or possible reversal. Whereas the hammer won't show a reversal until, and the answer is confirmation. So a hammer actually doesn't show you that it's going to be like that, the pattern is going to be reversing, or that the trend's going to be reversing, until you get that next candle, and that candle needs to be a confirmation candle, going towards the towards the reversal, so towards the opposite end. Which candle does not have a wick? And that is the I'm gonna totally pronounce this wrong, but the Mirabuzu. That's the one that I think I have it here. Looks like, here it is, right here. So this is a big old body. It's a strong candle. Opens and closes, Not many wicks like you would see with the dojis or the spinning tops or the long shadows, the other ones that we went over. This one is a little bit more on the stronger side. And then the question of the, as far as that class goes, we do the multiple choice questions. We also do a fill in the blank question where you can kind of answer, based off of what your own words are. And we give away tickets to the top answers. Everyone's answers were actually really good in this case. They usually always are, so it's always hard for me to narrow it down at just 3, but I got it down to Boosted, Eclipse, and Agent Penguin. So congratulations to you 3. You also get some tickets for the next raffle. Boosted is in chat, so congratulations, Boosted. In the PBU training. Randy, Michael is correct. You can find these handouts in the PBU trading class, and that's where you find in the handouts is where you find the videos and the homework. All right, so let's go over their answers. It says Boosted, Eclipse, and Agent Penguin. And let me just pull this back up again. All right, so the question is going to be, hold on, individual. So I remember that. So we have Boosted was, wrong person, screw this rectangle. There, it's Boosted. All right, so the question is, which candle made the most sense to you, and how would you use it? And Boosted's answer is, personally for me, the one that makes the most sense is the hammer candles. I feel like it combined with the following candle, so long as that is the confirmation candle, shows a stronger sign of the direction of the stock market. I plan on utilizing this candle and strategy in paper trading to see how it fares out, and hoping that it is something that I can implement into my day-to-day trading. So that's super. First of all, correct. I personally think that the hammer candle is definitely one of the more it's a pretty big reversal candle. It's pretty easy to spot out, and it's definitely good that it needs that confirmation candle. But what I like best about that answer is that you plan on utilizing this candle and strategy in, you said, paper trading. That's a really smart way of practicing just trading in general, because just like anything in life, any sport, any whatever it is, people practice first. Baseball teams don't just wait, just hang out in their locker rooms in between games. They practice. Football players aren't just sipping on martinis during their week before, between Sundays. They practice, and that's what so you practice new plays. You do things you might not be comfortable with, and that's how you get better. And that's how trading works as well. It's not just you go into the trading market and I'm going to make $100 tomorrow. It takes time, it takes practice. And paper trading is a really good technique to use. And I know Boosted actually he's a very very good trader, and the fact that they know that paper trading is a good way to to learn new things is phenomenal. So next up was, I believe Eclipse was 12. Agent Penguin, yeah, Agent Penguin was one of them, right? Yeah. The Marabuzu was the easiest to understand because it's either a strong uptrend or a strong downtrend. With the assumption that I have a stock with a strong uptrend, the Marabuzu candle will suggest to continue holding the stock, or may suggest a reversal is coming, stock going down. On the other hand, during a strong downtrend, the Marabuzu candle will tell me to look for an exit, or it'll tell me there's a reversal coming, stock will go back up. Of course, I had to look at the candlesticks prior to this candlestick to give a proper analysis. What I like about that answer is, just like anything in trading, like in indicators and in candles, it's not just one candle or one pattern isn't going to tell you everything. Like Agent Penguin said at the end, they have to look at the candlesticks prior. It's good to look at the past trends, past candlesticks, maybe the past other to use other indicators in combination with candlesticks and with candle patterns. Which is why that we do PBU the way we do it, is we try to slowly build your arsenal, one step at a time. Last week was candles. Now we're going to be going into some trend lines in that. Next week after that, we'll be doing more indicators like VWAP and MACD and RSI and all that stuff. So it's slowly getting all of it in a way that kind of makes sense, or tries to make sense, one step at a time. I believe the last person I want to say either Eclipse. All right, so Eclipse says hammer. It could be the end of a downtrend. Might put in a final buy in after seeing confirmation. So also saying the hammer, but a lot of people always ask, when do I put my final buy in? Well, one way is to learn certain patterns, certain candles, and then realize that when this candle happens, it means that the downtrend can end, as long as there's a confirmation. So if that's happening, you see the confirmation, then maybe that might be your how we always say your last buy would be your upper confirmation. That might be where you want to put in your final buy-in. So it all comes together. Learning the PBU buying method, implementing that into your system, and now you realize, oh, this is how I find that uptrend, that reversal. Okay. So let's see. Then we also had the charting homework on the Discord. We had a bunch of people. This is everyone who did it. So everyone who did the charting homework gets a raffle ticket. I looked at all of them. They're all really good. I messaged the people who who might have needed a little help with that, but mostly everyone got it right on point. So yeah, what I'm talking about is, for those of you in PBU, we have that channel. It's called PBU Charting. Over this next month, since this is charting month, I'll be doing a lot of We'll be doing a lot of homework in that section. So you'll be posting a lot of different in this case you posted a candle pattern or chart pattern that you saw based off of the homework, off of the different patterns that we went over. You posted one that you found from this day or from the past couple days if you're looking at the daily chart. And everyone found some great ones. A lot of them were the bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. Those are really a lot of good ones there. The one person did the the abandoned baby, which is a good one. That one's a hard one to find. Like we went over in class, that one's a very if you do find that one, I know it's pretty rare, but once you find it, it's a pretty good chance of reversal. anything can happen in the stock market. But if you do find that one, it is a good one. That's the abandoned baby, which we went over in class number 18. So these are all the people who did that homework, and we also have. So here's five of the five ones I went over that I was when I was going over all the different answers. These are 5 really good ones. If you are new to charting, and you might have struggled with the homework or struggled with the charts in general, the candles, I would look these guys up, look up their answers for that charting question. That's going to be in the PBU charting Discord channel. And for instance, let's do Agent Penguin. So in order to find that, you just go into the Discord. You'll just go to, so you'll search for Agent Penguin. So from Agent Penguin. And you can even just do in, because this is going to be in the PBU charting area. And then here it is. You'll see it right here for you. And he showed us some red crows. He showed us some green soldiers. He's told us why, how the opening price of each green candle is within the body of the preceding candle, which is really important for that pattern. A lot of people just see a lot of green candles going up, or red candles going down. They think that's how it works, but there is a criteria with these patterns. Bearish engulfing pattern. So this is a good one. I know that. Boosted had a good one as well. So here's his. So you can see the bullets 3 lines. You have the green soldiers over here. Hermetic cross, which we went over as well in the class. So if you haven't, if you are having trouble with this, definitely check out this channel, PBU charting channel. We have some new people posting some as well. You'll see a bunch of different examples, but definitely check out the people who I mentioned as well. Those ones are really, really on point and really well mapped out. And once again, those people are going to be Agent Penguin, Makers Boosted, SRS13 Mattster42, and Pierre Man 0909. Also going to be getting raffle tickets for that. Giving out a lot of tickets for that Monday raffle. It's number $75 every Monday, so make sure you check out that PBU channel, the raffle channel, so you can learn how to enter that raffle. It's super easy to enter, totally free to enter. You can win $75 cash. So those are the people who got that homework correct, and this is the time where we're at that 30-minute mark almost. We're going to open the stream up to any questions from the class. Questions from the PBU, Penny Boys University. Questions from those of you not in Penny Boys University who are wondering what we're all about. As you can see, we got some great people in Penny Boys. We got Boosted, as you can see in the chat room. Nikki, F. Torres, bunch of regulars always joining us on our Thursday streams. I know we're on Monday right now. But usually we're doing it every Thursday, 9:30 p.m. We actually do have another live stream coming up after this in our Discord. It's for free. It's for our free members, or those of you in premium as well can join. And that's going to be in our Discord at discord.gg/pennyboys. If someone can post a link to that in chat, that'd be awesome. Maybe Mattster Boosted. Get some raffle tickets going on, just so those of you who are not in our Discord can join in on that, because that's going to not be on YouTube. That's going to be in our Discord, the free live stream. That'll be a trading tips with Tagman, where one of our great traders, Mr. Tagman, goes over a bunch of different trading tips and tricks, and this goes over the Discord and a bunch of good little things for good little tricks and tips for those of you who are new to Penny Boys. What's going on, Paul? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to Penny Boys. Yeah, so for those of you who are new to Penny Boys, this might be your first time just joining us in general or even hearing about us. What we do is we try to, I guess I would say not specialize, but focus on learning and teaching, and as opposed to just giving out alerts here and there and just expecting you guys to just follow along. No one learns how to trade by just following the leader, which is why we teach. One of our courses in Penny Boys University is trading psychology. because, we care about, our goal is to make you your own trader, and teach you how to be, not reliant on anybody else when it comes to the stock market, because this is your money, that you're investing, you're putting into the market. And a lot of us, I'll speak for myself, at least myself personally, I've been, when I first joined the stock market, I knew how I know how rough it is, going on to stock Twitter, the Weeble comments, and reading this and reading that, and being like, oh, I guess I'll enter this. Maybe you get lucky, you start thinking, you're doing, put more money in, listen to the wrong people, and the next thing you know, you're down like a whole bunch, and because you didn't set a stop loss, because you didn't even know what that is. So yeah, our goal is to make it so that, hopefully if you find us early on in your trading career, so that you can skip that part that, that a lot of us have gone through with, losing money just by blindly trading, by gambling. We teach you how, the difference between trading and gambling in our Discord. And our Discord looks like this. So you'll see we have our alerts as well. We have alerts. We have two different alerters. One specializes in shorter plays. One specializes in longer plays. We also have like really long plays as well, which would be like 6 months to a year, maybe even longer if you're into those kind of plays. We have options alerts. We also have, a bunch of chat areas as well. And then we have Penny Boys University, and this is where you can find our classes. And our classes will look like this. You just click the link to the class, and you'll get one of these. You get a handout. The handout has a link to the video, which is on YouTube. So it goes to a unlisted YouTube link, and you'll get the video, you'll get the homework, and you'll get access to these handouts as well. And we do live streams every Thursday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. If anyone has any questions on anything, we go over that for you guys. And like I said, it's a 3-month program. We are resetting, though, in a month. So right now we are on week 10. We're on Tuesdays, coming up for week 10, week tomorrow. So as you can see, we have that 1, 2, 3 more weeks, and then we do the test, and then we reset for new members. And that, if you just joined us now, you don't want to have to try to catch up on 10 weeks of classes. That's like almost 20, basically 20 classes plus the live streams. Maybe you're like, I'd rather just wait 3 weeks or whatever. Get your bearings. Maybe just watch class 1 and 2, so you know how the Discord works. I'd recommend that. And and then from there, maybe wait until week 12 is out, and then we go back to week 1. That way you can start from the beginning and follow along with all the live streams. Michael says, I'm convinced that they're prophets. Lee and Austin. Nikki says they are both very good at what they do. They really are. Yeah, as you guys know, I have my, just for kicks and giggles, I do, and not kicks and giggles, also just to, so people can follow along, we do I'm doing a $1,000 account challenge. So, I post like, what I sold, what I'm up, how I'm down. Right now I'm around like 50%. That's just using the alerts, using what you learn in PBU, and that's just for the month. That's since 10/23, and that's this is just trading trading cautiously, pretty casually. We have members in here who are up 100%, a couple 100%. One was like up 1,000% on like 3 months, which is crazy. So, it's definitely possible to make money in the stock market, but it's also really, really easy to lose it, and that's why we're here. We're here to try to help get over that curve, because it's like I said, it happened to a lot of us. It happened to me. It happened to I bet you it happened to a lot of people in Penny Boys University, in all of our guides, our mentors. So hopefully this helps get you over that hump. Like I said, this is the last month right here. So this is a charting. We do start out slow. Month 1 we do. We go over how the Discord works, how to find the alerts, how to search for alerts, how to turn off the notifications, like, the little stuff for week 1. Then we get into some strategies, and then we start creating a trading plan, go over trading psychology, how emotions work, FOMO, how to try to overcome FOMO, or at least admit that you have it and try to work with it. and all that good stuff. Setting stop losses and why it's so important, and just how many different little things go into trading, into making money and being profitable in the long run, not just one or two trades. Because the plan is to be profitable. Have a profitable that performance. On your Webull, like you want to be profitable overall in 3 months, or in a year, as opposed to just be profitable with two trades, and not look at the other 10-15 trades you just sold for a huge loss because you didn't set a stop loss. So yeah, PBU is 100% free with premium. So if you go to that pbalerts.com/Cyber Monday, you enter that code thanks, you get 30% off the premium. Whatever package you choose, you can get off. You get with the premium, you get free alerts. You get the premium alerts, but you get a free Penny Boys University, which is the 3-month trading program. Yes. So the program is 100% included with premium. Nikki says it's changed me for real. Michael says PBU is great. I mean, honestly, like we've been there. Like that's the thing. Like as soon as Penny Boys started out with 50 people, 50 members, and even before that, 10 members. Well, when I was when I first joined, it was like less than 100 people, and they were it was more so just ground up kind of deal. It's just a bunch of people who got together and just wanted to help other traders, and it's not some no one's trying, no one's here to take your money. We're all here to help you. And that's why PB was formed, because as we grew, we realized how many people we're currently struggling. We're brand new, and we're going through that learning curve, and we figured the best way to help traders is maybe isn't just to do alerts only. It's to also focus on teaching people how to follow the alerts successfully and how to trade successfully, be their own trader, as opposed to start to doing what everyone starts off doing, and that's gambling in the stock market. They see a stock and they see people talking about it. They don't know anything about the charts or the fundamentals. All they know is that people are saying it's going to go up, and they're like, okay, and they put money into it, and then they don't know what they did. They don't have a plan with getting into the trade, and they start losing money. They get emotional. They start putting more money in. They start losing more money. Whatever it may be, there are just so many ways, and there's so many emotions. There's so many just ways of, like I said, ways of losing money in the stock market. And small in the essay, a lot. But yeah, so anyone have any questions about the charting, the past couple classes we went over, or just PBU in general? Nikki says, stick with it and do the homework and invest in the effort your account will show. Yeah, honestly, it's all about investing in yourself. Some people, I just said again, some people think that investing is all about just putting money into a stock market. No, I mean, if you're actually just investing, which is you put $1,000 in, and you just don't look at it for a couple of years, 4, 5, 6 years, that's fine. But I'm talking about when it comes to trading, it's a lot it's a lot harder than just putting some money in there and just praying and just hoping that the stock market in general just goes up. So yeah, it's all about investing in yourself. It takes time, just like anything. If trading stocks was easy, everyone would do it, but it's not. That's why a lot of people give up. That's why the majority of people give up. It's because they join and they don't have anyone to show them, hey, this is how trading actually does work. This is the behind the red curtain kind of deal of trading, which and Boost has said, like he was saying in his homework answer, you cannot stress it enough. Paper trade, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. This is coming from experienced trader. Boosted is, but even when you think you're ready, paper trade some more. LeBron James, all the greats, they still practice. They don't skip practice. They still practice, just like everybody else. Nobody knows everything. Nobody knows everything, especially in the stock market. And when you think you know everything, that's when you start losing money. But yeah, this is I believe we might extend. I know the Cyber Monday deal is going to be expiring the end of tonight, like 12 o'clock. I believe they're talking about extending it to Wednesday. I'm not 100% sure. There's a chance, but I'm not going to promise it. So I would definitely take advantage of that. If you are not part of Penny Boys University, not part of the premium alerts, it's 30% off with that promo code THANKS at pbalerts.com/cybermonday. Sushi just made it in here. What's up, Sushi? Yeah, if you're looking to invest in yourself, looking to learn how to become a trader, learn how to become profitable in the long run, and just have a area to talk about stocks where you don't have to worry about judgment and all that kind of stuff. The Penny Boys University, the people in there, just the members, the community, in the chat is just it's phenomenal. It's second to none. Like they're amazing. Like between everyone in there, like Boosted, Nikki, got Michaels, and there we got a whole bunch of people who are just Pookie's Revenge. We got the dude. We got just so many great people in there, and everyone's just is really genuinely wants to help each other out. Nobody there is going to judge you. There's no such thing as a bad question. That's how we learn, is by asking questions. I think that's my favorite part about Penny Boys University is the community and the people who are a part of it, and just how cool everybody is, because it's not, everybody doesn't have a group of traders to talk to, maybe you might be the only person that that trades. So it's also a good community and a good area just to throw ideas off of each other in, or just chat while you're trading, whatever it may be. We have a lounge area, which is a voice chat you can just hang out in. You can chat amongst yourselves. We do live streams throughout the week randomly. We also have some scheduled ones as well. I know today we had a random one, like a random 2-hour stream. Just Big Quench was like, hey, you know what, I'm gonna show you this day trade really quick, and he did a little live trading for us. Tonight in 20 minutes we have Trading with Tagman coming up. That's always amazing. Joshua Sabotin says PBU member, highly recommended. Yeah, Michael says so true. The community is just fine. This is awesome. The community is the best part I love about Penny Boys University. Especially the university area, like the PBU area, where it's more the new traders. Like I think that's the best. That's where I don't usually talk in the other areas. I just talk in that area because it's nice having a place where you can talk about stocks and know that you're not going to be ridiculed if you say something wrong by accident. Like God forbid you don't know everything about the stock market. God forbid you're not a stock encyclopedia. You don't get that here at Penny Boys, especially in the PBU chat. It's a judgment-free area. No bad questions, like I said. But yeah, like Boosted said, is saying day trading is very risky. Options trading is really risky. I definitely do recommend paper trading, especially if you're getting into that. I definitely wouldn't rush anything when it comes to trading. It is your hard-earned money. We can't stress that hard enough. Don't invest money or trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. That's another big one. But and Anita says definitely learn trading psychology. It's useful for not mentally breaking down. I mean, honestly, the stock market it's a battle. It's a battleground emotionally. Like, once you get that first big loss and you start to, and then you don't realize how to handle it, like while it's happening, like whether be setting the stop loss or selling or just whatever it may be, then you start to realize like, oh, okay, trading is more than just knowing what an RSI, knowing what RSI means or knowing what MACD means. Like, and that's why at Penny Boys University we stress trading psychology is the number 2 thing we teach before charting, is because it's so important to know why, know about setting a stop loss. And if you are new to trading and you don't know what stop loss is so important. It's all about, setting a stop loss is all about making sure that you have a number or just a percentage that you are okay with losing, and that's where you're gonna let the stock go to that amount, and that's where you're done. That's where, all right, that trade is over. Good game. Better luck next time, because if you let it, you let yourself dig a big enough ditch, you're not gonna be able to climb out of it without taking a huge loss. And in that case, then you can't trade. You can't once the money's gone, it's gone. But it's all about stop loss is all about with the right risk reward ratio, with the right trading plan, which we go over in Penny Boys University. We even give you a trading plan template, and I know a lot of people in here made a trading plan, and I've read a lot of them. Boosted was awesome. Dan C's I read. I believe I saw Nikki's was there as well. Yeah, everyone has some really good trading plans. And that's what's going to change your trading, is once you get all those tools involved into making the trading plan, with the trading psychology classes, the trading strategy classes, diversification, FinViz class. We had our Investopedia class, and just having all those trading tools available to you. Once you put it all together and put it on paper into a plan, that's when you start to become a trader and not a gambler. So that's the name of the game here at PBU. Is to learn how to trade, learn how to not be a gambler. That's why we have Penny Boys University. That's why we do these 3 months trading program completely for free with premium alerts. And we also have some great Penny Boys University guides and mentors and premium pro members as well in PBU to help you out as well. If you need any questions, they're always in the chat there to help you. Boosted's one of our premium pro. I know Mattster is one of our Penny Boy guides. We got a lot of great people in those roles as well. Vika, we got the dude. Got Pooka's Revenge. Pooka's Revenge is always posting some great insight in the update by the guides area. Michael says I had to put my daughter to bed, but hope y'all have a great night. Take care, Michael. Yeah, we got our Trading with Tagman stream coming up in around 15 minutes. So I'm gonna let y'all go. That way, you can get ready, do whatever you gotta do in between the streams. I hope to see you there. That's gonna be at 9 p.m. Eastern Time Zone in 15 minutes. That's gonna be on the Discord. For those of you not in the Discord, that's discord.gg/pennyboys. You can join us there. It's a free live stream going over some trading tips. So hope to see you guys there. Congratulations to everyone who won raffle tickets from the homework, and congratulations to our $475 cash winners. Next cash drawing is going to be $75 on Monday. So make sure you check out the PBU raffle channel so you can see how to enter the raffle so you can win $75 cash. And also make sure to check out our PBU class area. If you're new, just check out the first two classes. We do reset in around a month, a little bit less than. So you can rejoin us then, be on the live streams live. But until then, I hope to see you at 9 o'clock in the Trading with Tagman, and I hope that you all make some bread.